All right, so it's been almost 5 months since I worked on this project last, and I just want to get in here real quick and see if we can add a new feature. And so what I want to do is when we click on messages, right now it's taking us directly into the inbox, but it should actually be a menu that says create message, inbox, drafts, outbox, sent, and templates. And then if you click on inbox, then we're going to go to this view. And the other thing is we might want to actually make this inbox look better. So actually, that would be the first thing to do. Let's make this inbox look better. And then you should be able to select up and down. And then if they're unread, they should have a little dot next to the name or phone number. And at the top right, it should say what number, the number of unread messages. Let's find that code. Phone? Let's see. Message. So here is our messages. That's supposed to be our messages. Go to message inbox. Oh. Menu items. Okay. So interesting, it's not actually using the messages from our state here. Message viewed has shown alert. Okay, so we're going to want a phone number and a name for the contact, and then the actual message that they sent, like, hey, do you want to hang out? Oh, and then a time. So name, and we might actually need to type because this one says mobile. Yeah, and then we need a time. Phone number, name. Phone number, name. Type message. Time viewed as alert. And viewed, I'm going to change to has viewed. All right. Okay, so instead of this, we need to get this.state.messages map. And we're going to return so we need an object with left and right. So return an object with left. Let's do number right is dot time. Okay, so I must have gotten number wrong, phone number. Okay. Looks a little weird, actually. Okay, so I don't really like the way this go-to message is working. This file is huge, so I want to do an inbox component. And okay, so let's think about how this render function is working. We have a status bar, and if the screen state, if it's the home screen or locked, then show status bar is true. And status bar will be either the status bar or null. And then we've got the screen and the buttons. So status bar and get screen. So get screen is what I don't really like. Okay, get screen. First off, it's got an alert and interesting, and a menu and a home screen. And it's going to show either the alert, menu, or home screen down in the switch statement. Okay. Okay, so I think what we need to do is bring in a router. And React router is a good one. Let's see. Web. Okay. Yep. All right. Okay, let's see. This is really tiny. Const home. Const about. Topic, blah, blah, blah. Okay, router. Route exact path. That about home about topics. Interesting. Okay. Let's go up to index. Okay. All right. Need all that. All right. Failed to compile. App is defined but never used. Okay, topics is not defined. Yeah, I don't care about topics. Oh. Okay, browser router is not defined. Oh, basic example is what I meant. All right. Let's make a router file. Okay. There we are. About topics. Cool. All right, but instead of that, we want to bring in port app from app.js. And let's try putting it there. Haha! All right. So let's call this home screen. Home screen. All right. Right. Okay. Let's get rid of all these other ones for now. Topic. Home screen, cool. All right. Now let's do messages. And let's do /messages. Now we actually need the messages component, which doesn't exist yet. So oops. All right. Need to pull out what we need just for messages. I'm going to copy all of it. We don't need alert. I know that. Menu, we kind of need a menu. We don't need home screen. In fact, get screen is just going to be let's see. Messages should be showing up. Aha. Duplicate messages in router.js line 12. Duplicate messages. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's interesting. Let's use an alias for that. Okay, messages, cool. Type should not be null. Yeah, we just really need to look at what's going on in here. Yeah, I mean, let's just, yeah, forget all this. Let's go. Let's see, we might need some of the state, but not all of the state. Screen states, no. Okay, so we're using menu title and menu items. So, menu title, menu items. We might want to rename this. And there. Okay, where is this? Let's see if this works. Okay, that works. So the error has to be in here. What if we say that? No good. Okay. Let's go back. Here. Put some stuff in here. Left and right. Okay. Let's see. So back on this router, you're going to want everything wrapped around phone, or phone wrapped around everything. So yeah, all this is just crazy, crazy, crazy. So really what handle messages click should do is go to that route. And you just do that with a link. And the link comes from here. So let's see if I can do that. Get the link. And then actually, yeah, okay. It's really buttons that has the link. Okay, so on messages click, this could really simplify that if we don't need on messages click. So it's link and to. Link to messages. I need to import link. Okay, so messages, link to message. Okay. Doesn't look good, but it goes to the messages route. Okay, so that means this on click, on messages click is unnecessary. Okay, source phone JS. Okay, on messages click, unnecessary. Handle messages click, unnecessary. Go to message link unnecessary. Let's see. Just gonna say all this is unnecessary. Anything that's handle, forget it. Let's see. We don't need the constructor function anymore because we can just set the state directly on the class. All right. Required prop. Okay. Let's go to buttons. And then no more props. Oh, and then we can do an implicit return here. And there we go. Cool. Okay, so the messages though, it needs to be wrapped in the whole phone thing. So if we look at the return here from phone.js, all we're doing is returning phone. Actually, we need more than that. If we look at index, nope. If we look at app, okay. So the app is what we need to wrap everything in. So instead of just having phone in here, let's return phone with children. And then home screen and return. Okay. Home screen can return app now. That's fine. But here, let's wrap messages with app. All right. Children is not defined. Yeah, so here is where we also need children. And then this whole get screen thing is going to be unnecessary. let's forget all this. Okay, so home. Let's see, children is not defined in app.js 46. Oh yeah. And then same thing here. Phone.js. Let's just show it for now. Well, actually, all right, home, messages. Cool. This is worse but better. Okay, now the only problem is our home screen's completely messed up. All right, so what we really want here instead of home is a home component. Let's make a home component. Home is not defined. Home messages, home messages. Status bar is defined but never used in phone.js. Cool. All right. So here here is where we need to start adding back everything that we took out in home and in messages. Oh, here's another constructor we don't need. Cool. Okay, so here in app.js, okay, buttons, home, messages. Okay, so here in phone is where we need to grab stuff. Here's home screen. Return home screen. Now, what is home screen? How do I scroll sideways? Home screen. Oh. Home screen. Date of null. Yeah, okay. Home. So I need all this in the state. Got date. Settings. Is military time true? Messages. And missed calls. Let's see. Date would be new date. Aha! Home screen. All right, so the other thing we need is the status bar. Show status bar. Yes, always show status bar. And okay, so we need this in here actually, because we're using state. So I'm actually going to do that props dot is locked. Props on all of these. Well, let's see. Maybe this would be better somewhere else. Let's do it here. Let's leave it here for now. And there's a lot of props. Is locked. False. Volume level. Battery level 0. Is Bluetooth on? Status bar. Carrier. Oh, info. Whatever. Okay. So status bar is fine but never used. Unexpected token. Let's wrap the whole thing in a div. All right, that's pretty good. One thing we're missing is some messages. Where is it? Alerts. So we've got a status bar. We need alert. No. Alert's different than what I thought. What I want is get screen, home screen, message notifications. Oh, okay. Just need to give some messages. Yeah, that's not right. Messages is state.messages and missed call notifications. Okay. Line 26. There we go. Starting to look pretty similar. And we've got routes working. So next time we will actually get messages looking good and get the other buttons working again. Like end should take you back to the home screen, and when you're on the home screen it should be locked or not, and this should unlock it and stuff like that. So hopefully I will work on this again.